Welcome to Building Vault University. In this session, we will be learning how to locate project documents. A facility may be home to many projects throughout its life cycle. To locate the documents within a specific project, the following steps should take place. The first thing you want to do is select the facility that is home to your project by clicking the orange View Facility button. In this case, we are going to select the facility Nolan Catholic High School. Now that we have selected Nolan Catholic High School as our facility, we want to find a specific project associated with this facility. We do that by simply clicking on this box that says Select a Facility Project. We are going to select NCHS-Phase 1 Additions and Improvements. This will open the project and allow you access to the project documents. To view the project documents, select the Project Documents tab at the top of the page. Here you will find all the folders associated with this project. Within each folder, you will either have subfolders or files you may choose from. Let's select the folder labeled O2 Construction Documents. You can now see all the subfolders for documents that are typically associated with the construction process. Now let's choose O1 Drawings. Under the Drawings folder are folders for the multiple design disciplines it takes to develop a set of construction drawings. Let's select the O4 Architectural folder. These are the multiple architectural plans needed for the project NCHS-Phase 1 Additions and Improvements. So, this is the process for locating project documents. If you would like to skip a few steps, you can make the project a favorite by clicking on the Start located in the bottom right corner of the Project Summary box. Go to the top of the page and click the Project Summary tab. Now click the star located in the bottom right-hand corner. That action just made this project a favorite on your dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard by clicking the Dashboard tab to the left. Now that this project is a favorite, I can skip a few clicks and jump straight into my project. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful, and remember, it's all in the vault.